distance formula. Suppose we have 2 points, x1, y1, x2, y2, and we want to find the distance, the length of a line segment connecting the 2 points, the distance between the 2 points. All we're doing here with this formula is literally just Pythagorean theorem. Suppose we build this right triangle connecting these 2 points. We know if we label the sides A, B, and C, C squared is A squared plus B squared, Pythagorean theorem. What is the length of side A here? Well, that's just the change in our x values. A there is x2 minus x1. This x value minus this one. B is just the change in y. This vertical distance, y2 minus y1. So this distance, the hypotenuse squared, let's call that d for distance, squared is just change in x squared plus change in y squared. But we don't want d squared, we want d. So the distance between 2 points, d, is the square root of x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. Just Pythagorean theorem, that's all it is. Okay, let's look at an example. Let's say we have the points 2, 1, and 5, negative 3. Let's find the distance between the 2 points. And of course, B/W means between. Okay, let's draw the points on a graph so we can visualize what we're talking about here. Here's the point 2, 1. Here's the point 5, negative 3. We want to find the distance, the length of this line segment connecting the 2 points. Well, we could just count how far do I have to go over horizontally to get from 2, 1 to 5, 3. I have to go over 1, 2, 3. So that's over 3. And how far do I go vertically? I have to go down 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's down 4. So I want to know how long is this side, the distance between the 2 points, just Pythagorean theorem. So the distance will be the square root of the change in x, 5 minus 2, squared, that's our 3, plus the change in y, negative 3 minus 1. Negative 3 minus 1 squared. And of course, negative 3 minus 1 is negative 4. We've got to be careful here. When you square a negative, it will become positive. So d is square root of 3 squared plus negative 4 squared. Negative 4, of course, is positive 16. So 3 squared is 9. Plus 16, square root of 9 plus 16, square root of 25 is 5. The length of this line segment from one point to the other is 5. Okay, let's do another example. Let's find the distance from the point 3, 1 to the point 5, 4. Okay, we know our formula. Distance is square root x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. We just have to identify which point is point number 1, which one's point number 2. It doesn't matter. We could do it either way. I'm going to kind of arbitrarily here call this point point number 1, call 5, 4 point number 2, and just plug everything in. The distance will be x2 minus x1, 5 minus 3 squared, plus y2 minus y1, 4 minus 1 squared. That's the square root. 5 minus 3 is 2 squared, plus 4 minus 1 is 3 squared. So we get square root of 2 squared is 4 plus 3 squared is 9. That's square root of 13. And we're done. We just leave it like this. And that's distance formula. That's all there is to it.